Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Snapchat history of friends. To check your friends' Snapchat history, such as Snap Stories, Snap Streaks, and the last time you interacted, you can do the following. First of all, open up and launch the app and download it. Go to the stories screen by swiping left from the camera view, and then you will see stories of your friends listed here. Tap on their story to view the stories. To view it, stories are available for 24 hours after they are posted. Check Snap Streaks. Just go to swipe right from the camera view to access the chat screen. Look for the friends' names. Next to their usernames, you will see a fire emoji and a number indicating the current streak count with that friend. This reflects how many consecutive days you've exchanged snaps. And if you have shared memory with a friend, you can view it by swipe up from the camera screen to access your memories. Check if you have saved any stories or snaps that include your friends, basically. And then see the last interaction. Tap on friend's name in the chat screen to open up your conversation, and you can scroll through your chat history with them. Please note, you cannot see a friend's private activities or their personal Snap history. Users can customize their settings to control who sees their stories and who can send them snaps. So let's turn on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.